Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here from BodieDavison.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a white outline thumbnail in Canva and completely free. You don't need to upgrade to the pro version. This is completely free and I'll show you guys how it's done. So first of all, you're going to need an image with a removed background. With the pro version of Canva, you can actually remove backgrounds. I'll just show you this. So let's just grab a photo. So let's just go this photo here. So with this photo, you can actually remove the background. If you go to effects and then they've got a background remover on Canva, but that is with the pro version. I don't want to pay for the pro version. I was looking for ways that you can do the white outline in Canva without actually paying for the pro version. So the first thing you're going to need to do is remove the background. So we're going to come across to what's called remove.bg. And if you just go upload image here, and so I've just uploaded this image and that's what it looked like beforehand. And so then if you look at the remove background version, it's just here. And with this one here, it's not exactly perfect, but you can change that as well. So if we just go to edit, and it comes up with a heap of other cool features, and this is completely free. So this is all you need for removing your background. But if you did want to play around with it, you can add all these different backgrounds and stuff as well. But for now, we're not going to bother with that. And to get rid of that, we'll just go undo on this one here. And if I really wanted to fix this part up here, you can just zoom it in. And if you just go the eraser and you've got brush size that you can change there, we'll make it smaller. And then with the smaller brush size, you just go across like this and you can remove it just like that. And then if you zoom it back out, it looks better. And you would obviously zoom in and just change that. But anyway, it doesn't matter for this video. We're just removing the background. So this is removed. And then we'll just download it. So just click download and then it's downloaded to your computer. I already have it downloaded, so let's go back over to Canva. So let's just go create a blank YouTube thumbnail and we'll just put a background so you can see the color. We'll use this one. And so there's two different ways that you can add this white outline. They're both very simple. So let's go the first one. We'll just add our photo that we're going to use. So instead, we'll just use this image here. So I'll just click on this, put it over here, and then click on there, and get another one on there. So we'll just have two different versions. So this is the first way that you can add it on. So we'll just go to effects over here, click on that, and it comes up with a heap of different things here. What we're going to go to is shadows just here, and click glow. And as I said, this is all on the completely free Canva version. I don't have the pro version. So I've clicked on it once and see it's still got the settings there. I'll click on it again and it lets you adjust them. So we're going to change the color to white, of course, because that's going to be the color. So you can see that glow already that's going around it. And then what we're going to do is pump up the transparency, and already you can see that standing out. It actually looks quite good like that. And you can also make the blur more intense like that. So I think about halfway looks quite good. Right around there. And you can change this size. So you could make it stand out even more or less or however you want. But I'd say about here looks pretty good. And you can tell it stands out quite well. So we've just added that around it and it looks pretty good. You can obviously make that bigger or smaller depending. So the second way we're going to do it is click on this one and we'll go to effects again. And then the next one we're going to go to is duotone. So you can click on pretty much any of these and change what I'm about to do, but let's just click on this one so I can show you. What we're going to do is click on highlights and change that to white. And then click on shadows and change that to white as well. So now you have an outlined white image, which is going to be the background. So we'll just sit that there. And then if we click another one of these on here and bring that across, now you can see that actually fits exactly on there. And that's your white outline. So it's honestly as easy as that. And then you can group this together by just, if you click and drag down and then let go, it'll come up with group up here. So if you click that, now these two are grouped together. So anywhere I move it on the page, it's grouped together. So what you have there is two different ways to make your white outline. And I think they both look good. You might use one for one time, one for another, but I kind of feel like the glow version looks better and stands out more, but this one stands out well as well. So it's just two different ways that you can do it. I personally am going to go with the glow one now that I've figured out how to do it, but this one does look good as well. They both definitely make it pop off the page, and that's the whole reason that you guys would be looking for how to make that white outline thumbnail for your YouTube thumbnail. So yeah, I hope it helps you guys out. That's why I wanted to make it. So remove background for free. This is completely free to use, remove.bg. So just go use that. And then you can do this on Canva completely free as well. This is not the pro version, this is the free version, and two different ways that you can do it and have that white outline around your thumbnails. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like for me. Please comment down below that it helps you out for sure and let me know. And yeah, I hope it helps you make those awesome thumbnails that'll get you lots of views. So please give it a like, as I said, and please hit subscribe if you haven't before. All right, see you guys in the next video.